Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with TAO, followed by CRO, ABT, OKB, NEAR, ICP, EDC, ONDO, and then we end with POL at number 40. Let's get straight into it. TAO against USD, completing a very high quality A, B, C, D, E. I think there's a very big breakout coming on for TAO. We'll wait for the rally back up first. If this turns into something which I think is potentially going to turn into, then yeah, this could be a fantastic move for TAO. I think TAO is going to go beyond 1,000, very likely beyond 1,000. But we'll wait for the chart pattern to complete first. But TAO looks fantastic, and yeah, again, we're not too sure whether this is the bottom. We were anticipating either 0.5 or 0.618. TAO went to 0.5. I don't know if we might drop a little bit more first before rising back up. So if it does drop to 0.618, this is where we load up. So if it goes up, then yeah, we'll wait for the move back down here. Right. Hopefully it's an identifiable type of a squeeze. So yeah, again, we'll have to wait for the whales to do their thing. We are still, to be honest, right, we're under the skinny pink line, so we want to be a little bit cautious without any clear high quality chart pattern. CRO against USD. Here we are for Kronos. It's because there was some good news coming out about Kronos, and there's a rally, but overall Kronos is still down. It's still not really looking that good. There's still risk that we could clear all of these cell clusters as it drops lower, so I would preach caution for Kronos. Aptos against USD. Here we are for Aptos. Aptos is lower highs, and lower lows. So yeah. So if if Aptos comes back up here, we get a inverse head and shoulders. Great. We put on a trade. Until then, we will have to wait. Good example is over here. You see this? Left shoulder, a very big hit. Right shoulder, that's it. Breakout. So we'll wait for something clearer first. So yeah, because Kronos could still drop a little bit lower, right? Because we're still in a downwards trend. We just do not know how much lower Kronos is going to go at this point. Aptos against USD. Sorry, we're already in bro. Confucius say. OKB against USD on OKX. Yeah, we're expecting the squeeze, and then we're expecting the breakout. This will very likely take us towards very close to 100, right? We have a target over here, $95. I think it's only a matter of time before OKB breaks towards 95. NEAR against USD. Here we are for NEAR. NEAR is still in a downwards trend. We still anticipate the possibility of NEAR going past this cell cluster over here, dropping down to 130. Now at 238. Even the rally is so weak. So yeah, to me, NEAR is not really looking that good. Not at the moment. ICP against USD. Here we are for ICP. ICP is still under the skinny pink line. ICP is a little bit unpredictable, right? We saw something like a squeeze over here, right? We did break out, but we broke back down. I think that we could be getting a descending triangle here. So yeah, it's still lower highs though. Lower highs, right? Yeah, no, not looking too good to me. We're still under the skinny pink line. Trend is still bearish. We're still anticipating these lows to be taken out. 367. ICP. Ethereum Classic. Okay, Ethereum Classic. Very likely, if Ethereum rises, right, Ethereum Classic is going to follow suit and rise. And this is a very big accumulation, but I would say that moves are unpredictable for Ethereum Classic. Right, this was a very nice chart pattern that came, right? Very nice squeeze, I think. Would have been fantastic, right? But we didn't break out. We broke back down. We took out all of these cells. We even took out all of this. So it's like, yeah, no, I'm gonna have to pass for Ethereum Classic for now. ONDO against USD. Here we are for ONDO. ONDO, in my opinion, is still bearish. I'm still expecting ONDO to hit towards 18 cents. This is a very big head and shoulders in the making. At what point will we come back lower? I think we're going to hit the skinny pink line. And then we come back down. Right. At what point will we consider things to be bullish? Head back above the skinny pink line. Form something like an inverse head and shoulders. A left shoulder here. A head. Right shoulder. Best bullish case. Right under the nose of the skinny pink line. But no, I doubt it. If we don't take out these highs, right, or we don't get any kind of a bullish movement, I suspect that we'll hit the skinny pink line. Then we come back down, complete the right shoulder. That's it. We drop lower. That's my take for ONDO. 18 cents. I still think ONDO is going to hit towards 18 cents. Paul against USD. Here we are for Paul. Paul is still... Again, there's a rally coming on for Paul, but still uncertain. Is this a double bottom? That's a tricky part. You don't really know it's a double bottom until it becomes a double bottom. Are we going to get an ascending triangle? 31, 32, 33 breakout? Or are we going to get a mountain range and then we hit lower? Right. If we do break higher, right, and if we do just, one strong rally take off these highs, then we will be shifting bullish. But as it stands, yeah, no, we don't see it yet. So again, we're going to have to wait and see what the wheels of Paul do. If we get a second mountain here, then yeah, very likely it's going to be bearish. But of course, if you get a bullish chart pattern, then of course it's going to be bullish. Right. So yeah, it's nothing much for Paul. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!